In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily deposit money from your Cash App balance to your linked bank or debit card accounts. To get started, open Cash App. The first thing we want to do is make sure you actually have a bank or debit card connected to your profile. Once you're inside the app, tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Now in this next menu, look under Account and Settings and tap on Linked Banks. If you have already added any accounts, you'll see them listed here. If not, this section will be empty. To link a new bank account, tap Link Bank. Cash App will tell you it uses Plaid for secured connections. Plaid lets you transfer money between Cash App and your bank account, checks your balance before purchases and helps detect fraud. At the bottom, tap Continue. Now search for your bank and select it from here. Then just follow the steps to log in and verify your account details. Once done, you'll see your bank listed under the linked account page. Now that your bank is connected, we can transfer your Cash App balance. Go back to main screen and tap the Money tab, which is the first icon at the bottom menu. At the top, you'll see your cash balance and a bottom labeled Cash Out. Tap on that. You'll now see a slider pop up, letting you choose how much you want to transfer. Drag it to set your amount like $8, $5, and then tap Cash Out at the bottom. Next, you'll be asked to pick up a speed, Standard, which is free but takes a few days, or Instant, which charges a small fee. In my example, the instant fee is just 25 cents. Choose your option. If you haven't linked a bank yet, Cash App will prompt you again here. If you got more than one account added, you will also be asked to pick which one to use. Once you confirm everything, your money will either be scheduled or instantly transferred to your bank, and that's how you can deposit money from your Cash App balance to your bank account. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel? For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.